Hello, my name is Lucas. Today's video is the special video for my last essay, and let's do this. El helado means ice cream. La tombana means the beach chair. La sombrilla means parasol. El castillo de arena means the sand castle. El balón hinchable means beach ball. El picnic means the picnic. La crema solar means the sun cream, and las chancletas means the slippers. El sombrero means the head. La hamaca means hammock. La palmera means the palm tree. Lo estrella de mar means the starfish. El platador means the tube. El sol means the sun.